Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a lychee smoothie. Start by gathering fresh or canned lychees, milk, ice, sweetener, and a blender. Prep the fruit by peeling and pitting if needed, then chill briefly for a colder result. Measure ingredients to keep proportions consistent and have a tasting spoon ready. This helps you adjust sweetness and acidity as you go, ensuring a creamy, aromatic drink that suits your taste. Combine the lychee flesh, milk, ice, and sweetener in the blender and secure the lid. Pulse briefly to break up chunks, then blend on high until silky and frothy, about 30 to 45 seconds depending on your blender. Pour a small sample into a glass and taste, adjusting sweetness or acidity with a little more sweetener or lime if needed. Serve immediately for best texture and aroma. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, bold scent that makes driving nicer after grocery runs with sticky fruit. I use it to keep the car smelling crisp between smoothie errands. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For tasty variations, try coconut milk for tropical richness, or add 1/4 cup yogurt for thickness and tang. Toss in a small handful of berries or a banana for extra body and natural sweetness. If you like colder drinks without dilution, freeze lychees on a tray and use them in place of ice. Keep a small amount of lime on hand to brighten flavors and balance sweetness when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.